Lots of numbers today, and quite a few coming out of Kenya today, wasn't it? It was an exciting day.
It was a hectic day, and we couldn't confirm this, but the talk coming from market watchers is that we saw the plunge of nearly 10% on the Kenyan stock market, and remember then trading stopped. $484 million lost in just 10 minutes after the Supreme Court nullified those results. So it was a hard job to pick our number, but in fact we're going to do something that is good news for us here in South Africa. Now remember, not everybody loves a stronger rand, but most South Africans do. I'm sure it's fair enough to say, because a stronger rand makes imports and travel, food and fuel generally less expensive. And it was a good day for our currency. This is the level at the close, 12.88 per dollar. Now, after breaking through the 13 rand to the dollar mark this week, it's been trading well below that. You could see we are well below 13. It was more than 0.5% stronger against the dollar today, even better against the euro and the pound. Now, the rand is partly moving in line with the dollar, or in opposition. When the dollar is weaker, we generally get stronger, and vice versa. And the dollar did weaken earlier today after jobs data in America and the United States showed that payrolls increased by 156,000 last month. And what does that mean? Well, basically it was below expectations. Since then, the dollar, however, has moved higher. That's all around expectations around interest rates in the US. So the dollar really is a moving target, which will affect our rand going forward. The rand also supported by other factors. Strong factory data this week from China and other countries in Asia. Those are important export markets for us. Also, a Reuters poll, and this is a relief, suggesting that South Africa and Nigeria will emerge from recession in the second quarter of the year. Remember that we slipped into recession at the start of this year, but the numbers since March for economic growth are still outstanding, and we are expecting those figures next week. The rand was stronger than this in March this year, and for a brief period stronger in June, but otherwise this is a relatively strong level.